Oh, it's a big girl right there. A really big girl with a big stinger.
Here we are at Brazos State Park. I'm gonna play with the cameras some and show you around the park. The park gets pretty cool looking, especially with the big oaks and the Spanish moss hanging off of them. It's pretty awesome. I like it. Speed limit's 30 miles an hour, and they can pull you over here and you can get ticketed. Hi, you want me to come in and pay, or?
No, it's okay. It's going to use today?
Yeah.
And how many people are with you?
Just myself.
You yourself and I?
Yep.
Alright, it'll be $7. You didn't have that phone case. Is that the kitty cats?
No, it's butterflies.
Oh, butterflies. Just
Yeah.
Alright, let me get that for you.
Okay. Yes, please.
Alright, this is on your driver's side windshield.
Okay.
And then here's a road map and a trail map.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. Enjoy the weather.
It's a little bright, but it's okay.
It is bright today. You're right about that.
Well, you're not getting dark enough.
I hear you.
Alright, have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Alrighty. Park closes at 10 p.m. except for overnight guests. Ah, look at that Spanish moss. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Just love it. Old oak trees. Very cool. Off-road traffic prohibited. No alcohol beverages allowed. Venomous snakes exist in the park, as do gators. They have gators here. I caught a gator the other day on film. I haven't looked at it on the computer yet, though, to see if it's usable. Okay, here's let's go check out the lake. Nobody behind me. I was gonna go to the observatory, but here's a 40-acre lake over here. No boating, no, do not enter water. So maybe we'll see some gators over here, I don't know. Ah, found a nice shady parking spot over there too. Alrighty. Come with me. We'll walk around. If you read this, this is 40-acre lake. This is where we're at right now. Looks like they have overflow camping sites here too. Give you a close-up of the moss. Love it, love it. Doesn't it look like a neat place just to hang out under? Have a little picnic? Pretty cool. In fact, let's just cut across here for a minute. Fortunately, I don't have the fear of snakes. You have to be respectful of them, but I don't have this, oh my God, I can't go there because there's snakes. No, I don't have that in me. Thank goodness. Clusters of moss. This is neat. Whew, this is good for the soul. And good for the body. Exercise. And it smells nice. Interesting tree formation there. And the vines, we have the muscovy, muscadine, muscovy are ducks. The muscadine grapevines growing through everything in here. I wonder if Tarzan's ever come here. I'm gonna pull up my other camera and take some pictures. I'm using the Osmo Action right now. Very neat. Oh, this place is awesome. Just put fresh batteries in the Osmo. Kind of curious to see what the difference is between the two cameras as far as recording and walking goes. Of course, this is going to be wide angle. It's a sports camera. I could set the Panasonic to wide angle, but I kind of brought it to take pictures and such with. Okay, I think this little trail just loops back around. There's another squirrely squirrel over there. Action camera can't zoom. And he ran behind a log anyhow. Okay, finally we're going to go to the lake. It says, caution, alligators, do not feed or approach. I hope we see some. Observe safety rules. There we go. You can pause to read that. Pretty much just keep your distance. Don't enter water, stuff like that. Just saw something on the ground. I wasn't too sure what it was. You got a field of yellow flowers. And we have marsh on this side. Which is exactly what the gators would like to hang out in, I'm sure. All marshland. Oh, that's cool looking. See the big lily pads? And there is a gator. Can you see him? Don't worry, I zoomed in with the bigger camera. Okay, this family just stopped and told me that there is a really big 10-footer gator down here by the lookout bridge. So yeah, we're gonna get some pictures over here after all. Very cool. And there's the lookout tower that they were talking about. Gonna watch my path here, make sure there's none lurking on these little bankments. Yeah, I think that family was going to go up that tower and they saw the gator and went, we're out. We are out. Don't blame them, especially with the little kids. Oh my God, is that it? A shadow, I think. You guys see him yet? He is big. We will not be doing the rest of this pond because I'm not going to walk in front of this sucker. Wow. I'm closer than the camera shows, so I'm just gonna take some pictures with the other camera. Oh my gosh, he is big. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna cross. I'm not gonna cross his path. So much for the lookout tower. Shoot, look at him. He's massive. Those fangs. Yeah, I'll skip the tower. I'd like to go up it, but no. He's smiling. He's a smile. Okay, enough of this guy. Another close-up. Check out those teeth. This is how far away I am, so don't worry. I'm about 10 feet away from him. That's as close as I'm getting. How cool though, huh? We'll just take our view shot from here. How cool. I'd rather run into them than a big snake. I'm not scared of snakes, but I do respect them. They might move around you.
There's a little pilot in there.
Yeah. That's something. Well, that was cool. I got to see a big gator. I got to see a mama gator with a bunch of babies. That was pretty cool. But stopped me from going any further, which is okay. There's a lot of other places still to explore here. And catch these guys over here. Okay, this one just rushed out on the water and it's still covered with green stuff, so wow. They just come out to sun, but still, you're walking in that pathway and the thing rushes out at you. It's like, yikes. especially as well camouflaged as it is.
How is this many when I or duck? Probably duck. Waterfowl.
They taste foul.
How do you?
Because they're foul.
Boom, boom, boom. Get him, get him. Take him on. These two are like, hey, what's going on? You told me to.